Today, we are repairing a BMW F15 hybrid inverter. The current issue is that it's not communicating. This is caused by data loss in its internal chips. Our test platform is now connected. Let's test its original state. Right now, the inverter cannot be diagnosed. It is in a state of no communication. Now let's disassemble it for repair. It's these two TC1777 chips that have lost their data. We will desolder them to flash the data. We use a hot air gun to remove the two chips. Clean the residual solder off the main board. Then flatten and clean the solder on the back of the two chips. Here is the processed chip. Place it on the adapter. When placing it, pay attention to the chip. The corner with the gold mark must align with pin 1. Then put on the pressure plate and tighten the fixing bracket. The wiring connections are power, grounding, CAN H, and CAN L. Slide the bottom switch here to TC1797, and the two jumpers should be in this position. Then connect it to the flex and open the software. We click Connect. Connection successful. We click Full Backup and write our working data into the chip. We wait for the writing to complete. We have finished writing the chips on the right. Now we start writing the second one. Take the chip off and replace it with the other chip. We click Connect. Connection successful. Then we write our working data into it. Waiting for it to write. Now it's finished writing. We disconnect it and solder these two chips back onto the motherboard. After that, we'll mount it on the platform for testing again. We secure the motherboard and plug in all the connectors. Connect it to our test platform. Now you can see that this inverter is communicating. You can see these fault codes now. The repair process is fully completed.